Bighorn sheep are large, wild sheep native to North America. They are adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats, including deserts, mountains, and foothills. They are known for their ability to navigate steep, rugged terrain. There are several subspecies of bighorn sheep, adapted to different regions of North America. Examples include the Rocky Mountain bighorn, California bighorn, and desert bighorn. Bighorn sheep have faced various challenges, including habitat loss, disease, and overhunting. Conservation efforts, such as habitat protection and reintroduction programs, have been implemented to help preserve and increase their populations. Bighorn sheep are iconic symbols of the North American wilderness and are popular among wildlife enthusiasts and conservationists. Their conservation is crucial to maintaining the biodiversity of their ecosystems. Bighorn sheep are wild animals. There are a few cases of bighorn sheep attacking humans, but it's rare. They are typically not aggressive animals but can get defensive, especially during rutting season. You wouldn't want them to use their horns to butt you. Bighorn sheep typically have a brownish-gray to reddish-brown coat, which provides them with camouflage in their natural rocky and mountainous habitats. The coloration helps them blend in with the surrounding terrain. Bighorn sheep have keen eyesight and a strong sense of smell, which are essential for detecting predators and navigating their environment. They have a sturdy and muscular build, well adapted for navigating rugged and steep terrain. Their bodies are designed for climbing and traversing rocky landscapes. One of the most distinctive features of bighorn sheep is their large, curved horns. Both males and females have horns, but those of males are much larger and more massive. The horns can curl around and back, forming a distinctive shape. The horns are used for various purposes, including defense, establishing dominance, and mating rituals. Bighorn sheep have concave hooves that provide them with excellent traction on rocky surfaces. This adaptation allows them to navigate steep and uneven terrain with ease. The color of their coat helps them blend in with their surroundings, providing them with some level of camouflage and protection from predators. Adult male bighorn sheep, known as rams, typically stand around 0.9 to 1.1 meters tall at the shoulder. Their body length can range from 1.5 to 1.8 meters. The weight of a mature ram can vary, but it generally falls within the range of 68 to 136 kilograms. Adult female bighorn sheep, known as ewes, are generally smaller than males. They stand about 0.76 to 0.91 meters tall at the shoulder and have a body length of around 1.2 to 1.5 meters. The weight of an adult ewe typically ranges from 34 to 91 kilograms. Rams have larger and more impressive horns compared to females. The size and curvature of a ram's horns can vary among individuals and subspecies. On average, the horns of a mature ram can measure 76 centimeters or more in length, with some reaching lengths of over 102 centimeters. The circumference of the base of the horns can also be substantial, contributing to their overall mass. Ewes have smaller and less massive horns than rams. The horns of females are generally shorter and less curved, with a slenderer appearance. Bighorn sheep use various vocalizations, including snorts, grunts, and nasal bleats, to communicate with each other. Visual signals, such as body postures and movements, are also important for communication within the herd. Some populations of bighorn sheep engage in seasonal migrations, moving between different elevations to find suitable forage and breeding grounds. The lifespan of a bighorn sheep can vary based on factors such as environmental conditions, predation risk, and human-related factors. In the wild, the average lifespan of a bighorn sheep typically ranges between 9 and 12 years. Bighorn sheep commonly graze on grasses and forbs, especially in open meadows and grassy areas. These plants provide essential nutrients, including carbohydrates and proteins. Bighorn sheep are known to browse on shrubs and bushes. In some habitats, shrubs may constitute a significant portion of their diet. They use their specialized lips and teeth to strip leaves and twigs from vegetation. In certain environments, such as alpine and subalpine regions, bighorn sheep may consume lichens and mosses. These can be important food sources, especially when other vegetation is scarce. Bighorn sheep are adapted to arid and semi-arid environments, where water sources may be limited. They can derive moisture from the plants they consume, allowing them to survive in areas with lower water availability. The composition of the bighorn sheep diet may change with the seasons. During the spring and summer, when vegetation is more abundant, they may focus on fresh grasses and forbs. In the winter, when plant growth is limited, they may rely more on shrubs and browse. Some populations of bighorn sheep engage in seasonal migrations to find food. This behavior allows them to access different elevations with varying plant availability throughout the year. Bighorn sheep require a balanced diet to meet their nutritional needs, especially during critical periods like pregnancy and lactation. Adequate forage resources are essential for the overall health and reproduction of the population. Bighorn sheep use various vocalizations, including snorts, grunts, and nasal bleats, to communicate with each other. Visual signals, such as body postures and movements, are also important for communication within the herd. Some populations of bighorn sheep engage in seasonal migrations, moving between different elevations to find suitable forage and breeding grounds. Bighorn sheep have developed keen senses, including excellent eyesight and a strong sense of smell, to detect predators. They are agile and skilled climbers, able to navigate steep and rocky terrain to escape predators. The rut is the period when bighorn sheep engage in mating behaviors. This season generally takes place in the fall, usually from late September to early December, depending on the specific region and the subspecies of bighorn sheep. During the rut, male bighorn sheep, known as rams, compete for dominance and the opportunity to mate with females, known as ewes. Rams exhibit aggressive behaviors to establish their social rank within the herd. This can involve head-to-head clashes, where they use their large, curved horns in displays of strength and dominance. Once dominance is established, the dominant rams gain access to receptive ewes for mating. They engage in courtship displays, vocalizations, and physical interactions with the females. Mating involves the ram approaching the ewe and engaging in copulation. The courtship and mating rituals help ensure successful reproduction within the herd. After successful mating, ewes undergo a gestation period of approximately 6 months. Gestation periods may vary slightly among individual ewes. Ewes give birth to usually one lamb, although twins can occur. The timing of births is often synchronized within the herd, ensuring that the lambs have the best chances of survival. Ewes play a significant role in the care and protection of their offspring. Lambs are born precocial, meaning they are relatively mature and can quickly stand and follow their mothers. Ewes nurse and protect their lambs, ensuring their survival during the vulnerable early stages of life. After the rut and the birthing season, bighorn sheep may go through a period of recovery. This may involve replenishing energy reserves and focusing on foraging to regain strength. The timing of the rut and other reproductive events can vary based on factors such as geographic location, elevation, and environmental conditions. In some cases, populations may exhibit slight variations in their breeding patterns. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.